This smoked sweet potato pie was all the rave at my last Friendsgiving. I've been doing this for a couple years. Let me show you guys how to make it. So you're gonna get your smoker fired up to about 275 degrees, and this is how you're gonna smoke your potatoes before you make the pie. Now you can totally do this in your oven, but then it won't be smoked sweet potato pie. All right, so we're gonna use this recipe. Make sure you drop a comment below if you want the full recipe sent to your DMs. And if you want to see how I run my smoker, make sure you go check out my book, Wrangling Fire, on Amazon. Now, this is where I'm going to piss a lot of people off. I don't know how to bake, so I'm just doing it how I want to do. I start with the butter and the sweet potatoes, and then I just add in my other ingredients as I go along. Once I get it nice and smooth, dump it into your frozen pie crust. You can totally use the other pie crust if you want, but this one is less sweet. And then you will let these bake 350 degrees for about 50 minutes or until a toothpick or a knife comes out clean. And this is how you get smoked sweet potato pie. Follow for more.